These guys have been working all day on these delicious foods.
This is egg pie.
Egg
Filipino
pie.
egg pie.
Do you want to introduce all the foods?
This is chicken, lettuce wrap, rice, barbecue, and noodles.
Noodles.
Rice noodles.
And then
Egg roll.
those look amazing.
You guys start now.
And then Pumpkin made this bread here.
Yeah. You can start eating now.
That looks so amazing. All right.
What was that station you used to watch all the time? It was like this, all kinds of things. No.
Is that peace? Oh, you look angry.
That's just how I look.
That. Gosh, we gotta inspect this. Look at it really close so you can see the textures. Yum. Oh, look how golden that is. Oh, look at that. It's just lettuce wraps. Now look at the bagel. Yes.
Oh, they're incredible.
This is from pumpkin.
That's what she was saying. Oh, yum, 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 yum.
Okay, Amber, start now.
I am so ready to eat. Absolutely. All right, getting started.
There you go. She knows how to do it.
We know that mukbang and stuff. Yum, yum, yum. It's delicious. You ready? Oh. Do you have any moaning to go with that? Anyone got a burp? We haven't had enough bites yet. Hey, Riley. Well, it's okay. Okay, Riley, let me take a good bite for me, okay? Is that the egg pie? You love it? Yum, 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 yum. Is that good? You're in the big chairs, huh? You want to take a bite for me? I'm getting everyone on camera.
Can you give me some of that too?
That was the egg roll. Yum, 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 yum. How about grab your rib and eat it? Like take a bite of your ribs.
Oh yeah, there is. Huh? Oh, I'll just have the
When you don't have a mouth.
I'll have the cream soda.
Oh, thank you.
Is that John Beck approved? Absolutely. Is that Pumpkin approved? Where's your food?
Y'all want some of this?
Absolutely.
You want some cream soda?
We need some burping soda. It looks like booze.
Looks like pee.
Ew. Yeah.
The other explanation better.
Steve?
You gotta make it look really good, Steve. Oh yeah, do the slurping sound.
Get into it. Get into it. He had a noodle in his mouth when you were doing that.
Oh, it's to die for. I know. So good. You guys all want cream soda, John? I got you cream soda.
Yeah, cream soda's good.
You got some?
Whoops.
Oh, no, Harry.
You want some pumpkin? You want me to pour you some cream soda? Yeah. Oh, you guys have mouth.
You do that even better than Dad, and Dad's like the king of rib eating. Show me that. One more time. One more good big bite.
The meat is hard to bite.
Because it's big, huh?
It hurts my teeth.
Okay, Sherry Ann. Okay, guys, take a big bite. Show me. Show me what your big bites look like.
Okay, first.
Sherry Ann's mukbanging lettuce. Oh, that is a good bite. Yum, yum, yum. What'd you get a bite of? Was that your rice? Very good. Sherry Ann, show me a big bite of your egg roll. Riley wants to be on her too.
We all got pie after.
The pie is the egg pie. Okay, I think I got, oh, very good. Okay, you guys. 1, 2, 3. Take a huge bite. There's Braden taking a big bite there. Anyone else? Who's going on a big bite here? Sherry Ann, got your egg roll? Ready? Oh, okay, there you go. Mm-hmm. Mmm, yum, yum, yum. Xander, you gonna take a big bite? Show me what you got. Let's see. Oh, my. Very good.
2 years old, she got 2 years old. 4 months. They're the same. Then I were first and then her.
Wow.
6 months. Huh? 6 months?
You just splash. We have 10 between us. You need a
Kapira,
splash.
no.
Looks good.
Kapira, no.
We have 2. Yeah. I've actually got 2 and Steve's got 8. But his 3 little ones are like mine because they've lived with us since they were brand new. Or they did live with us. They don't now, but they did.
Show the camera.
Hey, I want you to go eat.
What? Is that good?
You go eat something.
It's like
Go eat that
custard pie and it's warm and it's delicious. Oh, let's pull up your shirt.
I think I heard that.
Ready? Another one? Filipino egg pie.
That's Johnny Cash, baby. Make it louder. That's good.
Yeah, when Merle died, he loved my brother so much. They were such good friends that he actually put in his will for him to be sent one of his guitars. He signed it and everything for him. Pretty touching when it came in the mail after he passed.
The old guy, Carl, that works over at the general store in Jackpot, he was Merle Haggard's steel player.
Cool.
I thought it was Waylon Jennings.
Oh, Waylon Jennings, that's who it was.
Waylon
Yeah,
Jennings.
not Merle Haggard.
Yeah, and Julie used to babysit for Scooter.
Well, Jennings.
Can I film you eating there, Sparky?
Hmm?
Can I take a picture or video of you doing that?
My.
She finds it like sexy to watch people eat.
Huh?
I find it sexy.
This one is pure sexy.
Big bite. Like a great big manly bite. No? No? Okay.
No, I just shove everything in my mouth.
That's okay, me too.
I just shovel it in there.
Here, I'll do it. Ready? With this one.
Whoops, eat. Hold on just a second. John's drink isn't. We bring it over around the bend.
Is
I like spicy.
that spicy for you?
Not bad.
Huh?
It's not bad.
Yum, 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 yum.
Keep going.
Wow. You're just sitting there watching us. Have you eaten?
I'm cooking. When I'm cooking, I'm eating.
You like watching people eat your food, huh? Because you work so hard.
When I cook, I just try. That's okay.
Yeah, by the time we eat done, I'm full.
Yeah.
You're making sure it's perfect.
When you cook, for the Philippines, we have a restaurant. So my mother and I, we cooking. We don't like to cook our food anymore because we used to, when you cook, they smell, you know. So like, I'm looking for another thing. But
So he's 3 months old? 2 months. Oh, okay. 2 months is just like my grandson. Yep.
I have a Mukbang grandson too.
Yeah, and you guys do too. I remember seeing the baby last night. Really, really cute. They're so precious when they're that age, aren't they? My little grandson's not smiling a whole lot. I don't know if yours is or
he's smiling all the time.
is he? My little grandson's not a real smiler. He doesn't smile a lot. We try to get him to smile, huh?
He gets around me, he does.
He does when, mostly with Steve when he looks at his beard and his mustache. I don't know why. It's really funny.
Righty. I can eat your rib. Bring it here.
Yeah, for sure. Give me that rib.
Too good to be wasted.
They're gone. Yeah, they're gone. They're so good.
Eat over your plate, Riley. You're making a mess. Eat over your plate. Eat over your plate. There you go.
For him instead of against him. And in a lot of cases, you hear a guitar player on record that's trying to outdo the thing. Somebody trying to show up all this stuff.
He's almost as big as you, Marietta.
Almost, yeah.
Oh. See, James doesn't do that. My grandson doesn't do that.
Yes, he's smiling a lot.
He smiled really big at her, Steve. Look at that. He just smiled real big at her. That was cute.
Cool guy. Look at that. Look.
Wow.
Wow. Yeah.
I can't wait for my grandson to do that because he doesn't. He just looks at you, huh?
Yeah. Kind of like me. That's what I do to people too. I just look at them.
Just look at him. Yeah, I was saying he's probably more serious.
They're so cute.
We smile at people.
Oh,
No, I don't. I just look at them.
They put him to the TV, so he's
Wow,
watching.
I gotta try that. One rice with lettuce. You try that yet?
Really good.
Try that.
We even changed that.
The egg pie is so freaking good. I love it.
That's
Oh my gosh.
Filipino style.
I like evaporated milk. Is that what's in it?
Yeah,
Evaporated milk?
evaporated
It's so good.
And then heavy cream.
What is that?
Heavy cream.
Oh, heavy cream? Okay. Really good.
Yummy.
I love the egg rolls.
Really good.
Yeah, they're good.
Gosh, they're good.
There's another one, the mango pie. It's very good. But
Is that with the graham crackers?
it's different.
Oh, okay.
And that homemade crust. Oh, that's good. Wow.
I think they have straws. I think there are straws.
The lettuce wrap, and it has a meat type feeling inside it.
Careful, it's
Some
spicy.
good spice.
Will you go ahead? Oh, I think that's just a special sauce. Good, isn't it? Really good.
That'll clear out my sinuses.
Sauce.
I did mine.
I got that special food from the the big Japanese restaurant in Maryland. Fiji it's chum. When I eat the first time, I said, oh my God, I love it. So I thought I can make it. So I tried to cook, and then finally I got
You got the right recipe.
Yeah.
It's so good.
I use the ginger.
There's ginger pieces.
I like the ginger.
Oh, yummy.
Fresh ginger.
You're gonna love that.
I know.
You like spice?
You like spicy stuff? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's good.
I made chili, I made salsa, sweet meats, and left with a spoon. Like,
Oh, that's good.
It's not bad all the time.
Spicy?
Delicious. And probably
Really,
pop it out
really
too. Uh-oh, Riley. Hey, get it, Riley.
Look at that wind. So how did you get the electrical storm? Did you go outside and videotape it?
Yeah.
And the wind was probably just blowing like crazy, huh?
Not at all.
Oh.
Not at all. I'll show you. I'll show you the videos.
I must have been so passed out.
I told you.
Oh, it's awful. It's still like even more so. It's coming through even more than it was yesterday.
There's a leak.
A tree fell on the power line in the back, over where the fence is, and so it pulled the pole that's coming out of the house.
Oh, yeah.
Two of the things that hold it down, it ripped through the ceiling. So all the rain's coming in.
Was that this morning or last night? This morning or last night?
Even more so this morning, but
you
last
see it?
night.
I looked in there this morning because I heard a sound,
Grandma's stuff is.
and the trash can's just overflowing.
Yeah, it's overflowing.
And then the window has rain just pouring in the window.
It's just, yeah, it's like even more pouring than the
Yeah.
leak was.
Yeah, it's bad. I wonder if Tina's gonna get somebody to come look at it.
Right. I don't know what you're missing. Over here. You want a carrot?
Gosh, it's so good.
Touch my sweaty head. I am always sweaty.
Yes,
I'm like 10 degrees higher than everybody else.
I am getting higher.
James Taylor. Oh, now it's wrong.
You hold on to me. You're just fine. What you got, a orange pop?
I once bought the biggest round of drinks that was ever served here.
Okay, don't. You're going to send pop flying everywhere.
I was sold that night.
Go play with your hair. Come on, you're with me all the time. Go ahead, I dare you. Come on, don't be a kid right now. What?
I need the egg rolls. I love the egg pie. That was so good. Recommend Blue.
Speaking drummer looks like Wolfman Jack. Because the band house had 2 kitchens, 4 bathrooms, 8 bedrooms, all huge. But they had a big horn and it was connected to the bar. And when they like that,
Like
you
a
had 1 hour
boat.
to get ready on stage to perform for the boat people. The big
Wow.
ships, the big ships come in.
That's what you were performing for in
Yeah,
Alaska?
but it could be 4 in the morning, 8 in the afternoon, or 8 in the evening, 2 in the afternoon, 7 a.m.
Oh.
You had to be ready. Oh yeah.
Was there like a certain amount of time that you had to play for once you were playing?
2
like
hours.
2 hours?
So
Okay.
2-hour increments, shows. But you could do up to 3 in one day.
Well, that's like in the military. Like they wake you up to do chores or something. They make sure that you're up and they don't care like what your schedule's like. another one.
There's a piano player.
That's one of those Nord keyboards. You always tell me that distinctive red color.
Darren had one.
They're great.
He's
We
got
had
one.
a little keyboard player guy for about a year and a half.
He had one.
Yeah, there's no.
I wanted to put my plate like this so you can see the egg pie while I'm eating my egg rolls, and then I'll eat the egg pie. Pumpkin's like, what the heck? Who are you talking to? I'm talking to the YouTube audience.
I'm gonna watch you eat now like you do us.
Oh, yeah. I eat really good like this.
Yeah, that's what you're saying. Yeah.
And burping is a plus. But I don't burp a lot. I can't. Like, I don't have, like, the need to.
Have somebody burp for you.
Somebody burp, quick.
I will.
Your friend Fawn, oh my gosh.
Everybody got
She
it?
is
She
a
wins
burping
contests.
queen. She's so good.
She's got a
Oh,
man.
the lady out front.
She got a man burp.
Wow, yeah. Steve's daughter burps pretty good too.
Yeah, Fawn wins contests.
Here, save your fork.
Who likes ice cream?
Me. Not me. That's one thing I don't love to eat is ice cream.
I gotta sit here and want ice cream.
Oh, we got ice cream
Wow.
sandwiches.
That was really, really good. Thank
I'm
you
gonna
so
get
much.
one for everybody. I'm unwrapping it.
I make you a Mexican meal you won't forget.
I love Mexican too.
Mañana, right? We're having a guaca cook-off. Guac cook-off.
Unwrapped one. Is that what you want?
I have to start cooking eggs.
See what I missed.
Great.
Probably
I think I got everything.
kids, 4 dogs, whoever else. Probably start cooking at 8 in the morning.
You guys want to come over for Mexican food?
And your
Wow.
Steve, have you ever heard of EW Jazz Cities
Yeah.
with the cherry wood?
At
Man,
Band
that's
House.
the best sounding drum kit I think I've
They're
ever made in my life.
Wow. Have you ever heard of Spawn drums?
Yeah.
Wow, that's American made. Spawn.
Everybody got ice cream?
They're badass drums.
No.
I
Yeah.
have regular ones.
I'd like to get into those chameleon questions.
Neapolitan.
I haven't seen them, but I've been checking them out online. Man, they're nice. They look pretty.
Chocolate and vanilla.
You want ice cream?
You still got your project going with Jeremy, Sparky?
No. No.
Are they all the
I don't know what happened there. Everyone just quit coming over or getting in contact with you.
Yeah, we haven't heard from Jeremy forever.
I didn't text him this trip, but usually he
You want half
hears
ice
something.
cream?
I don't think Jeremy and Julie either.
Yeah.
Kind of weird not having them around.
Well, I just
Maybe
want
I'll
to
come out together.
Oh, okay.
He said she didn't want it.
That's
like
good bread,
Thanksgiving.
pumpkin.
Thank you.
That's really good. So
Dad, did you
tender.
do the bread or the wheat or the white? The wheat? Yes, yeah, I like the wheat one.
It's really good.
All right.
I never understood what the difference is.
I gotta try.
It's
Wheat
all
and white?
wheat. It's all wheat
Yeah, but
bread.
one's wheat flour, one's
One's
You
bleach,
know, it's all made out of wheat.
one's bleach flour.
Whiter
It's
wheat.
really tender.
The white is actually sweet.
I like the white way better though. I'll pass on wheat bread if I can have
Ice
white
cream,
bread.
you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
We just bought a box of
It
those.
tastes like bread pudding.
We bought a box
Without
of those
bread.
and ate them all at the band house.
Custard part inside of bread pudding.
Eat your ice cream now before you get it in the hair.
Yeah, my sale at Catfish for
Before you get it
$1.98
in
right
your
now.
hair.
Oh, really?
Your bangs are drawing out.
I
Nice.
think
Yeah.
250 for my box. Oh, these are different. We got the Neapolitan ones. This one Neapolitan.
Chocolate vanilla. Wow, that's good.
Oh, man. Rambling Fever.
Yeah.
Lord, I was born a rambling man. Trying to make a living. Doing the best I can. When it's
I didn't
time
give me
for
the,
limits,
I mean,
hope you'll understand.
just now.
I was
You
born.
can come eat that in the video camera for me.
Yes.
Ice cream sandwich. I got a bite right here.
When I was a kid, I played with rocks and dirt.
It goes from
We liked it.
like this. You know?
Yeah, I'll bite. You want to bite it?
How about the models? Remember the model
I
cars?
had lots of
You sit there and you paint them and you get them all ready, then you put firecrackers in them and roll them.
Well, first I would
I don't love ice cream. It's good.
Oh yeah, you got
days.
It doesn't
I
last
go
very
around
long
and
in my
look at 'em. Then at the end of the week, it's rolled to pieces.
A gallon of ice cream
Yes,
in my house.
we do. We build them all. We build them all year long, and
He
the
likes
5th of
ice
July
cream.
they were gone.
Sit there and paint them all the parts.
Yeah, detail them and then roll them at Kingdom Come. When I was a kid, we played with rocks and dirt.
If you've never had this, you gotta try it so you know how wonderful this is. It's
What?
good. Yeah. I'm showing them. Look at the texture. It's like,
I was your age,
that is custard. It's like a custard pie.
Yeah, it's like a custard pie. Exactly. It's really
I
good.
want that bass drum head.
Oh, that's neat.
That's cool, huh?
Is that an effect?
Yeah.
It just like swirls
Yeah,
back in
bass
there?
drum head.
Oh, wow.
Oh wow, look at that. 3D effect.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's like,
This
whoa.
crust would be so good in any pie.
Did I tell you about Stan Paulson? His claw machine bass drum that he got a clear front drum head. It was like all they had in this little store in Orem or wherever he got it. So he was putting it on. He didn't like the way the pillow looked in there. He just had this old, little stained
gonna need
pillow
a nap
beside it.
after eating all
So he
this.
went to his daughter's house and grabbed. She had a whole bunch of garbage bags.
That's kinda cool. The bass drum head.
So I'll just put that in there.
That's kind of neat.
That'd be thick.
I have a plate.
And it's a black bag, so no
Yeah,
one would
Pinterest.
know. But then he thought,
Hillary
and he
Duff
didn't
one?
go, wait a minute. So he took the drum down, shook all the stuffed animals into his bass drum, and he turned it into a claw machine. He had this little claw he made out of plastic, and
lost
lights,
Marietta is
lights in it.
cooking Filipino
He
food.
had all these colored stuffed animals inside it.
I want a camera over here too.
Oh, it's actually pretty cool.
Hi, Mom!
I bet that was cool.
Yeah, isn't that weird?
That is weird.
How'd you find a drum head for that?
How would you replace the drum?
I know, right?
So much delicious.
Can I show the camera?
That's just weird.
Now I need a nap.
It's called a siesta.
See that bass drum head there? It's not a
The
circle.
drum in the 80s, they had a 22-piece North set. They had the ones at the bottoms of the tubs all
This is Marietta's
out.
cooking Filipino food.
I had a set.
Man, what else?
Delicious.
Yeah, his was yellow too. That
Really?
bright,
Everyone
bright,
loved
like
it.
Yeah,
berry
yellow.
Hit.
They're yellow.
Tomorrow,
I had a set.
a Mexican
I sold them
food.
years ago. God.
Hey guys.
Yeah,
When I was on tour with Infinity, I
Give it a
used
thumbs up if you liked it.
Roy Burns.
And thanks for sticking out this long.
Rogers.
Don't forget to hit subscribe.
I had so many.
Watch Sherry Ann's ice cream sandwich.
Still got
I had a little burp. It was tiny. So tiny. That's it. Sorry. See you guys.